Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn Deepseek AI into an application that lives in your macOS toolbar or on your computer, just like Claude or GPT would with their Mac apps. We can do this using Safari, and as you can see, I can just drag it around. There's no URL thing in here. Very easy to access right from the toolbar. So we'll go to safari.com, or I'm sorry, just Safari browser. I'll type in Deepseek. I'll go to Start Now, and we'll just sign in, and I can use this share thing to add any website to my dock, not just Deepseek, but really any application you're using. I can add this to my dock. I can name it whatever I want to. I'll just do test. And as you can see, we just got this Deepseek icon in the toolbar. Now I can sign into this, and I'll get something that looks very similar to this one that I have open already. So very short tutorial to help you add Deepseek into your icon toolbar on Mac. And if you want more resources, whether you're integrating AI into your own business or selling it to other businesses, I have a free Skool group in the description below. Free to join, a lot of resources and tutorials in there to help you do whatever you're trying to do with AI. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more content that's valuable and to the point just like this.